So my brother and his friend are in the woods making our tree house. Not making it exactly, they're fixing it. And let's see how this goes. Yeah, it's starting to rain, but
yeah.
Okay, so they added this sign that says tree house. Honestly, that's pretty sick. And then they had to fix this right here because a tree branch went through it.
Whoa.
And what are you guys doing now?
He's actually, oh my goodness gracious.
What are you guys doing?
We're trying to build this door thingy.
How? What, do you have hinges?
We're gonna get hinges. No, just like this for now. Genius.
You guys are genius.
We do it.
That guy got the glasses, yo. Some ideas for this. I feel like you guys could maybe make some steps.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Last time I tried that, I got the biggest bruise I have ever had on my big buhini.
Buhini?
Yeah. See all those logs down there?
Yeah.
Me and Kaylin
Made a thing out, stair out of there?
We made a bridge.
Well, yeah, out of the log. Well, I'll see you guys
Let's go.
later. Bye. Well, so yeah. I'm gonna leave them be. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. So yeah, bye.